Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to properly use Tapcon screws. These are used for fastening into concrete. So you can see we have our impact, we have our drill, we have our Tapcon screws, and then inside of our drill is the 3/16 masonry bit that came with this kit. Some of these Tapcon kits, they don't come with the drill bit, some do. Generally, if you buy the larger box, I think they do come with the drill bit. But this is just a 3/16 masonry drill bit. And then something that the box doesn't come with is this 5/16 magnetic nut driver, which you see right here. So this is made, this one's, I think DeWalt makes it. But I'll put a link in the description on where you could buy all this stuff. I'll have it labeled just to make it easier on you guys. So this is just a 3/16 masonry bit, 5/16 nut driver, and then these are 2 1/4 inch Tapcon screws. So these come in all different sizes, but for the application I needed them for, I went with 2 1/4. So the process of setting these is we're going to first drill our pilot hole, and then we're going to, pretty simple, then we're just going to set our screw. So we'll show you what that looks like. So what I like to do with my drill, I'll put it right on the hammer function. And then we just want to clean out this hole. Okay, and then a general rule, you want to drill your pilot hole longer than your screw. So you could see we went, just judging off the dust, we went about 3/8 longer. Okay, so now that we have our hole drilled, we could set our screw. And I like to start this, keep this impact down on the lowest setting because you don't want to shear this off. They do shear if you put too much force on them. Okay, so then we have it started. We could bump it up to 2, and we just want to go, we don't want to shear it off. Okay, so you could see we have that. Now if you need to go deeper, or if you're just going to be hanging something on this, you could leave it up, whatever you need. But we're going to set this flush. Okay, you can see our screws set flush. And if you do not drill this hole deep enough, then when you actually go to set your Tapcon, you will shear it off, just because these impact drivers have so much torque that, I mean, these screws are extremely strong, but it'll still shear that screw right in half. So yeah guys, that's how you properly set a Tapcon screw. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, be sure to like this video if it helped you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.